Rockford homeowners experience a wide range of weather conditions throughout the year, from cold, snowy winters to warm, humid summers. These seasonal changes can put stress on a home's exterior, especially entry doors. Choosing energy-efficient replacement doors is one of the most effective ways to maintain indoor comfort, reduce energy costs, and protect the home from the elements. Understanding the key features that support energy efficiency can help homeowners make the right investment for long-term performance. One of the most important features to look for is an insulated door core. Energy-efficient replacement doors are often built with foam or composite cores that provide strong thermal resistance. This insulation helps prevent heat from escaping during the winter and keeps warm air from entering during the summer. In Rockford's climate, where temperature swings are common, a well-insulated door plays a major role in maintaining a stable indoor environment. Another critical feature is high-quality weather stripping. Weather stripping creates a tight seal around the edges of the door, preventing drafts and air leaks. Over time, worn or poorly fitted seals can allow cold air, moisture, and even dust to enter the home. Modern replacement doors are designed with durable weather stripping that maintains its effectiveness even with frequent use. This helps ensure that the door continues to perform efficiently throughout the year. The type of material used for the door also impacts energy performance. Fiberglass and steel doors are popular choices for Rockford homes because of their durability and insulation properties. Fiberglass doors resist warping and cracking, while steel doors offer excellent strength and a solid barrier against outdoor temperatures. Both materials are designed to handle extreme weather conditions while maintaining their energy-efficient qualities. Glass features are another important consideration, especially for doors that include decorative panels or windows. Energy-efficient replacement doors often use multi-pane glass with insulating layers that reduce heat transfer. Some glass options also include coatings that reflect heat while allowing natural light to pass through. This ensures that homeowners can enjoy bright entryways without sacrificing comfort or increasing energy usage. A properly designed door frame is just as important as the door itself. Energy-efficient doors come with insulated frames that help reduce heat transfer around the edges. These frames are designed to fit securely within the opening, minimizing gaps and improving overall performance. In Rockford's cold winters, this added insulation helps keep indoor spaces warm and reduces the strain on heating systems. Another feature that enhances energy efficiency is a tight-fitting threshold and bottom seal. The bottom of the door is a common area for air leaks, especially if the seal is worn or improperly installed. Modern replacement doors include durable thresholds and adjustable seals that create a secure barrier against drafts and moisture. This helps prevent cold air from entering during winter and keeps cool air inside during the summer. Durability is also closely tied to energy efficiency. Doors that warp, crack, or deteriorate over time can develop gaps that reduce insulation. High-quality replacement doors are built to withstand Rockford's changing weather conditions, maintaining their shape and performance over the long term. This ensures consistent energy savings and reduces the need for frequent repairs or replacements. Proper installation is essential to maximize all of these features. Even the most energy-efficient door will not perform well if it is not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures that the door is aligned, sealed, and fitted properly within the frame. This prevents air leaks, improves insulation, and ensures that all components function as intended. Energy-efficient replacement doors also contribute to overall home comfort. By reducing drafts and maintaining consistent indoor temperatures, they create a more pleasant living environment. Homeowners can enjoy fewer cold spots in the winter and less heat buildup in the summer, making everyday living more comfortable. In addition to comfort and efficiency, these doors can help lower energy bills. By reducing the amount of energy needed for heating and cooling, homeowners can see noticeable savings over time. This makes energy-efficient doors not only a practical upgrade but also a cost-effective one. In conclusion, energy-efficient replacement doors are an ideal solution for handling Rockford's diverse weather conditions. Features such as insulated cores, durable weather stripping, advanced glass options, and proper sealing all contribute to improved performance. When combined with professional installation, these doors provide long-lasting comfort, reduced energy costs, and reliable protection, making them a smart investment for any Rockford home.